quarantine day. I don't even know what day it is at this point, but I wanted to film a staying at home day in my life. I feel like today's gonna be a little bit more of a productive-ish one. I do want to do a little bit of self-care today. Kind of want to do an at-home manicure. My nails aren't that bad, but they're kind of starting to grow in a little bit, and I just want to switch up the color. We went to Target. The Targets in our area are still open, so we went to Target yesterday to get a few things that we needed, and while we were there I decided to get nail polish, acetone, stuff to do an at-home, a quick, easy at-home manicure. I do also want to clean up my brows, do things like that. My skin, well, it's not breaking out. I have a little mark right here and on this side too. I have a rash going on. This is real life right here. I took some Benadryl and then I put some hydrocortisone on it, so hopefully that'll go away. I'm gonna make some breakfast right now. We haven't done much this morning besides watch an episode of the show that we're watching. I'm just doing a small handful of spinach, a whole banana. This is a smaller one, but I'm just gonna put it all in there. I bought this mix, I think at Costco. Was it Costco? I think it was. This Daybreak blend peaches, mango, strawberries, and pineapple. I was going to cut up fresh fruit, but it's gonna take me some time, so I'd rather just have this for today. Lately, I'm not gonna lie, I have been snacking since we've been in this quarantine. I've been snacking a lot on junk food and not so great things, but I've also been eating a lot more fruits and vegetables since we are eating at home a lot more right now. What I like to do is I'll buy fruit. So I have strawberries, apples, pineapples, we have tangerines, and I'll cut it all up the day that we get it. I should have done it last night, but I'm gonna do it today. I cut it all up and I put it in bowls and keep it in the fridge. That way we're more likely to actually grab it. If you just have fruit sitting in there and it's not cut up, a lot of times, let's be real, we're a little bit lazier to eat it because we have to cut it or wash it or whatever. So having it already ready in bowls makes it just so much, so much easier. This is what the blend looks like. There's water in there too. You can use milk, almond milk, whatever you want to put in there, but I'm just using water. It's a little more icy than I was expecting, but that's because the fruit was frozen. The peach, banana, pineapple combination is so good. I did mainly egg whites. There is some of the yolk in there, but I mainly want to do egg whites. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of lemon, just a tiny bit. Lemon, and then a little bit of salt, and a dash of pepper. The next thing I do normally after I eat is go ahead and take my vitamins. Every day I take a vitamin C 1000 milligram and 2 of the gummies. These are the 1 a day women's gummy. Kind of hard to eat just 2, but you're only supposed to have 2 in a day. When I was younger, I used to do my own nails a lot. I did them actually almost like every week. They don't look bad at all. They're just growing out. I do have gel, so they haven't really cracked or anything, but my nails grow pretty fast, so I just want a little pick-me-up. I bought all these things at Target. I bought this kit. I also got the Sally Hansen base coat. This is a cuticle oil for the end. I'm gonna do the color OPI Sweetheart. It's like this pink. I also bought this one, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it. Sally Hansen Extreme Wear in Tickled Pink. It's a little brighter. And then I got this OPI top coat. 100% acetone, also from Target. I got some cotton rounds. I pretty much just have to file the top layer and then put acetone on the cotton round, soak my nails, and that way it can take most of the color off. And I do this before I get in the shower. That way in the shower, my cuticles and my nails can kind of soften up. And then when I get out, I go ahead and finish them off. I do this before, that way it's ready and I'm not struggling. By the way, in order for it to work on gel nails, you have to use 100% acetone or else it's not going to work. And I'm doing it the super easy, like old school way. I'm not using a drill and I'm not doing gel. I know some people have the UV machine, I don't. I'm just doing like a simple manicure. And then once you have a few done, you take the cotton round and the aluminum. You want to make sure that the cotton round is covering the nail, and then you just wrap them just like that and let them soak for a few minutes. They're all covered up and you just let it sit for like 10, yeah, I want to say like 10 minutes. And see how let me focus this. The nail polish is chipping on its own after soaking. It's probably been honestly like 5 to 7 minutes and most of it's already coming off. You want to leave it as long as you can though. And then in the kit, it came with this. So I use that to scrape off whatever's left. Here are my nails as of right now. There's still a little bit of polish in certain areas that I don't want to file too much. But before I even finish them, I'm going to do my workout first and then jump in the shower and then go ahead and finish them just because I want to get my workout out of the way. It took me a little longer than I thought it was going to. I'm just trying not to file them too much though, because you can see in certain parts it's starting to get pink because my nails are already, they're not thin, but I do gel a lot and that kind of tends to thin out your nails after a while. I'm gonna do my workout first and then finish these later. I got out of the shower and now I have a bowl with water right here, and a napkin. Let me zoom you guys out a little bit so you can see. So yeah, I'm just gonna soak my hand. It's just soap and hot water. Okay, and then now that they're nice and soaked, I'm gonna take the, I don't even know what this is called, but just using that to clean them up. And then before I paint them, I want to do a little bit of acetone to dry them out. And the first thing I'm going in with is the strengthener. Yeah, this is a base coat from Sally Hansen. It's also a strengthener. Let it dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in with, I think I want to do the brighter pink, this one. And you don't want to do too much nail polish on your first coat because you're gonna go in again anyway, and if you do a thick chunk, a thick layer, then it's gonna take longer to dry. There's nail number 2. Here's the first layer. I'm scared to move because they're not dry. But yeah, there's the first coat. I'm gonna let it dry and then do a second coat. This is a fast drying one, I think. Or I don't know. No, it's not. So I am gonna have to wait a little while for it to kind of dry. Right now I'm getting ready. I have to go do laundry. We don't have laundry machines here in our complex. I have to go to my mom's house. Getting ready because I have a phone meeting right now with my manager. So I like to get like nice and dressed up on the days where I'm gonna be working a little bit more. That way I can feel more ready and I'm not just in my pajamas all day long as much as I want to be. So I'm just getting ready really quick. I have like literally a few minutes left until the call, so. Oh, and I straightened out my hair too. As you can tell, I straightened it. I trimmed it a little bit. I need to dye it, but Sally's isn't open right now, so I haven't been able to. But I did straighten out my hair. I'm nice and showered.
Good.
Hey. Hey.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining us in this call. All right, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. All right, phone meeting done. Here is what I decided to make myself for lunch today. Something super simple. A nice little sandwich. I put mayo, avocado. Obviously, I put some, I think this is turkey actually. I'm gonna say ham, but it's turkey. And then I sprinkled it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Of course, you can add tomato, onion, jalapeno, lettuce, whatever else you want, but I'm keeping it kind of simple because I'm starving. I don't feel like cutting up a bunch of stuff, just keeping it real. And I am gonna have a little side of hot Cheetos with my sandwich. Just wanted to show you guys what I'm having for lunch really quick. I was playing with some makeup and then I decided to change into something a little more loungy. I've had this set for a while now, but they finally put it on the Target website. I saw Valerie Star post it a while ago and I was like, as soon as she posted it, I literally had gone to Target that day and got it. And this was obviously before we were in quarantine and self-isolating and everything, but it's super comfortable. The top, I have it in a small because it is a little more oversized, and the bottoms are in a medium. I love it because they're obviously a beige nude color, and then it's tie-dye, which is really in. I'll link it below too so you guys can find it on there. But I don't have anything planned for the rest of the evening. I don't think. Construction is still going on out here. I'm sure you guys can hear the banging. I think I'm just gonna chill though for the rest of the evening. Maybe kind of start editing this vlog and just snacking, watching Netflix and relaxing, since the first part of my day was a little more on the busy-ish side. Okay, so I have my burger. Mine has, it's the patty, cheese, bacon, avocado, ketchup, and mayo. And he has fries. I finished eating dinner and my lipstick is still completely on. So I am going to put my lip color down below. It's one that I got from NYX Cosmetics. I'd never tried it before. It's like a really nice matte lip crayon kind of thing. But it'll be, the shade will be down below in the description box. But I ate a full-on burger and my lip color still looks super good. But I think I'm gonna end this social distancing vlog here. I just wanted to kind of vlog my day because I know some of us, I mean, a lot of us are home right now, and some of us are trying to find ways to stay busy, stay productive, not get bored, and not get sad about everything that's going on right now. So I hope this vlog was like a cool distraction. Not only that, but hopefully it gave you some ideas on what you can do at home. My favorite things as of right now have been waking up, getting ready, doing my work, cleaning the house, and making sure everything is kind of like nice and organized, especially now that I'm finally able to move around a little bit more, working out and all that. Don't get me wrong though, I do have days where I'm kind of out of it and I don't feel like doing much, and that's totally okay. It's totally normal to feel like that, especially at a time like this, and especially when I know that there are a lot of people that aren't really used to being home or having a different kind of routine. Like trust me, I totally get the feeling. I'll leave you guys with that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe, like I say in every video ever since this all started. But stay safe. I love you all. Los quiero mucho, and I'll see you all in my next video.